All Health Training is one of Melbourne's leading healthcare training providers.
In order to gain employment in pathology, you must hold a Certificate 3 in Pathology collection. Students come to All Health Training for a variety of reasons. Some do come with a healthcare background. Some just want a completely different career change.
All Health Training has 3 modern and fully equipped training campuses across Melbourne in Narre Warren, Blackburn and Preston.
Students will learn a variety of skills, mainly taking blood, processing a sample, enable to transport it to the lab, other non-blood tests, ECGs.
I studied pathology collection here at All Health Training, Certificate 3, and then I also did the drugs of abuse testing course. In my job, every 10 minutes it's a different story. So you've got your cancer patients, your elderly, your children. It's just being that person who's making them feel at ease and getting the job done and the results that they need for their care. The company itself was great to do with too, the receptionists and everyone just helpful.
I think pathology has proved to have longevity. It is definitely a career option, it's not a job. Lots of opportunities for working in pathology in various situations.
Starting with the pathology and then, when you're doing bloods and ECGs, I did do COVID testing as well in the nursing homes. It's just lots of different options, once you've got your foot in the door.
All Health Training has a team of highly experienced, qualified and industry current educators.
All trainers at All Health Training, they work in the industry that they train in.
We come with skills and knowledge that we know are required to perform your role. We have an up-to-date simulated environment.
We've invested really heavily in our equipment and our simulated rooms, which have been endorsed by industry.
They are set up and designed exactly how they would be found out in industry. Once a student is out working, they're familiar and they're comfortable in that environment.
I think one of our biggest point of differences is that we truly do believe in the student centricity model.
Each student is valued as a person, not a number. Some students enter the course and they haven't studied for a long time. They're worried, can they keep up? Can they do this? But we really like to create a welcoming, supportive classroom for everyone involved.
Our students are job ready, so it's sort of a circular motion really, because of our simulated rooms and the way that we train and the passion of our trainers, which means that when they go on to placement, there's employment opportunities there as well often.
Every student is required to complete 35 hours of placement out in industry, and this is organised through All Health Training. Placement's really important because it's your turn to shine, to put into practice what you've learnt, the skills and the knowledge throughout the course, and hopefully put your best foot forward and obtain employment.
The industry partnerships that we have, that is because of long-standing quality training and the relationships that we've built with industry.
Placement for me was at St Vincent's. I was lucky enough to get a job straight away. So anyone thinking of starting the course, just do it because you won't know unless you give it a go. Absolutely, I would recommend All Health Training. I achieved everything I came here to achieve. Get a job and love it, love it.
Apply today and kickstart your rewarding career in pathology collection.
All Health Training, making you the future of healthcare.